So, okay. This is it. This is another sneaker unboxing video. After 2 or 3 weeks, we have another sneaker unboxing. So I clubbed together a little bit of Christmas money together and bought a new pair, because why not? And this came from Sports Direct, again in the plastic bag, because who needs to have boxes when you unbox? Open it, rip it open, flip it the right way around. Return form. Another pair of Reeboks, and we have this one, the Reebok CL Jogger 2, or the Reebok Classic Jogger 2, in red, blue and grey. .500 layers of paper, and there is the shoe, a Reebok Classic in red, blue and grey. There we go. That's your video for today. I'll see you next time. Peace.